Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. I'm trying out a new tripod. I think some of you probably hear that when I am starting videos a lot, I complain that my tripod is in my way and super wobbly. Now, I know that this one's a little bit wobbly, but that's only because I'm not quite sure how to set it up, and so I have to start it in some weird kind of odd position. So we're trying it out. I really want to improve my lighting too, and I'm trying something out, but I don't think it looks perfect. However, I can't really see a preview right now while I'm filming, so I'm gonna film this whole video, cross my fingers, and I apologize if it's not super great, but please give me honest feedback. If it looks worse than my old videos, tell me. If, just give me any feedback. But I do have some exciting things to show you. In this video, I'm going to show you the 20 spring journals that I'm sending to my Patreon members. I'm going to have a second video where I will show you, I think 5 or 6, 7 that will be in my shop available for sale. And so that will be a separate video coming very soon. Okay, I'm gonna go through and I will start off by showing you one by one. I'm not gonna I'll do a quick flip through of each one. So I have tutorials showing you how I created these. So if you want to make something similar, you can make it yourself. But I love how they turned out. This is the only thing is like, I don't know how far I need to be putting it up to the camera for you to see. I love the closures. It is a smaller size, but I think that's kind of fun because I think it's just a little bit different. You can challenge yourself to use this size, and I think it'd actually be a great size for journaling in. Speaking of, I am actually sending out a printed out version that has some journal prompts, and I do plan to film my own journaling videos using those prompts, but feel free to use those prompts however and whenever you would like. They have a little bit of direction for you. It's just 12 prompts, so it's very easy. You could use it with this journal or any journal. And a goal of mine in the future is that I will have some journal prompts to go along with every journal collection that I send out. And again, you don't have to use them with that certain journal. You could use them however you want, or you don't have to use it at all. But I know that I want to challenge myself to do a little bit more journaling this year. This year's already started, but it's still not over. So we have lots to go, and especially with the summer memories and adventures, I know that I want to do some more personal and like memory type journaling. So be on the lookout for those printouts, but there's this one. These journals are sent out kind of randomly to my journal tier members because this journal tier comes with some other perks. So you're not just paying for the journal. You get a journal pack with it. I'm sending out a bunch of extras. Let me flip through this and then I'll show you the sewn pouches that come with this one too. I'll flip through the next few journals quicker because now you kind of see it just has a variety of pages. I think it's 40 pages front and back. Of course, some of the pages might be like a bag like this. I think there's just one bag in each, but you get the point. There is some pockets in the center. I didn't glue these shut. I think I may have sewed a few, but again, I want to give you options so you could cut the center and have it be a little flip down if you want, or do whatever you want. Now, I normally cut the bags, but I also did not cut these because I thought it could be a full page, or you could cut the top or the side to have it be a pocket. I'm always trying to give you some flexibility in the journal tier journals. A really fun mix of papers in these. And again, each one comes with a sewn pouch. Now, keep in mind, I'm not a seamstress. I do not know how to sew fabric very well. So these are not perfect, especially like I didn't quite know how to do the closure, but it's kind of a drawstring. I would be kind of careful with this just because, again, I'm not a seamstress, but I think it's totally going to do the job for if you want, you can protect your journal in it. And the other thing that I think is fun is that you can fit most of the ephemera pack items that come with it in here. I was going to say, I think one of the items might be a little big. No, I think everything can actually fit in these. So yeah, they're all going to be a little bit different, but they all have a little beaded closure. The one that I just showed was mine, so it has extra beads. But if you want to add extra beads onto yours, You could honestly untie the beads that are on here and add more. And they're just this vintage sheet. Everyone is a vintage sheet, same print. And so I love this. And again, this was an extra item that I made this month for my journals. Okay, so let's go back through these a little bit quicker. We have this print. Now, I know that these are also pretty Easter themed, but I personally feel like you could use each and every one of these all spring long, or even all year long, honestly, but I think they're a perfect spring journal. I don't think that they have to be Easter. They all have a special little touch too. Like this one has this cute little pink bow on the front, and yeah, they're just all a little bit different. This might be one of my favorite collections, but I think I say that a lot. The little chick was a little cutout of some fabric. Oops, I forgot to bind this one, so this will be one that I have to bind, but it's a little carrot patch, and again, I like this, and I can see that my tripod is wobbling right now. I guess that's because I'm wobbling my desk, so that's a tricky thing. I don't know. It's like I need an overhead filming that comes out of my ceiling or something, like, because my other tripod, it was like one that stands on the ground, but for some reason when I'm next to it, I always either bump into it or it wobbles like when I move my table. I love the little baskets of carrots with the little bows. So, so cute. I kept one for myself this month and it was a hard decision on which one to keep. The little baby chicks are also so cute. I did a variety of fabrics and laces on the spines for these journals. I hope to heck you can see these in the video. I love, oh, the three little chicks. I think the one I kept for myself is similar to this. This was another really pretty fabric that had a bunny, and so I just cut it out and used it as the cover. I don't know if I love this filming setup. I don't like that I can't see what I am filming. This is another cute cover. And again, just the variety of pages. And the fronts do have a tiny little pocket. It's not huge, but you could put a few things in there. And the journal packs that come along with these are similar to the journal packs that I sent out this month. I just found another one that I did not bind yet. Oh, this fabric is so cute on this one. We'll set that over there. I promise they will be sent to you all bound up and ready to go. I'm gonna package them up really cute. So I'm excited for that. Maybe I should film a little packaging video. Oh, the little daisies. It's like when I find something that I love, I want to use it on everyone, but I want everyone to be a bit different, so I hold back. And then the carrot patch, it was just another one of my favorites for the covers. So I love these. I hope you guys do too. And again, just be on the lookout. I will have the extra journals listed and a little flip through video coming up within the next couple of days. And that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.